In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. The striking calamity.
Human deeds, good or bad, will be weighed. This surah mentions weighing of human deeds. He whose scales are heavy will be led to paradise, and he whose scales are light will be led to hell. Please see Maarif-ul-Qur'an, Vol. 3p for a full and complete analysis of the weighing of human deeds. The analysis also allays the doubts raised against the concept of weighing of deeds. We have also explained there that it appears from reconciliation of conflicting narrations and Quranic verses that the weighing on plane of resurrection will take place twice. The first weighing will be to separate the believers from the non-believers. Anyone whose book of deeds is put on the scale and contains the belief iman will be heavy, and the scale of anyone whose ledger of deeds does not contain iman will be light. At this stage, the believers will be separated from the non-believers. Weighing on the second time will be to distinguish between good and evil deeds of the believers. The reference, in the present surah, is probably to the first weighing in which the scale of every believer will be heavy regardless of his other deeds, while the scale of an unbeliever will be light, even though he might have performed some good acts. It is explained in Majari that the Holy Quran generally contrasts the unbelievers and righteous believers when speaking of retribution, reward, or punishment, because the latter are the perfect believers. As for the believers who have performed righteous as well as unrighteous deeds, the Quran is generally silent on the issue. However, the principle may be noted that on the Day of Judgment human deeds will not be counted, but weighed. Pure good deeds with high degree of faith and sincerity, and in accordance with Sunnah, will be heavier than many good deeds, prayers, fasting, charity, and pilgrimage with lesser degree of faith and sincerity, or not completely in accordance with Sunnah. Alhamdulillah.
What is the striking calamity?
See Surah Al-Qari'ah Ayah 1 for the Tafsir.
And what can make you know what is the striking calamity?
See Surah Al-Qari'ah Ayah 1 for the Tafsir.
It is the day when people will be like moths, dispersed.
See Surah Al-Qari'ah Ayah 1 for the Tafsir.
And the mountains will be like wool fluffed up.
See Surah Al-Qari'ah Ayah 1 for the Tafsir.
Then as for one whose scales are heavy with good deeds,
see Surah Al-Qari'ah Ayah 1 for the Tafsir.
he will be in a pleasant life.
See Surah Al-Qari'ah Ayah 1 for the Tafsir.
But as for one whose scales are light,
see Surah Al-Qari'ah Ayah 1 for the Tafsir.
his refuge will be an abyss.
See Surah Al-Qari'ah Ayah 1 for the Tafsir.
And what can make you know what that is?
See Surah Al-Qari'ah Ayah 1 for the Tafsir.
It is a fire, intensely hot.
See Surah Al-Qari'ah Ayah 1 for the Tafsir.